Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutorials by Naveen. Today we will see how to use termux, which is an Android terminal emulator and Linux environment app. So instead of installing it from Play Store, we will download it from Android website. Link is given in the description. Copy and paste the link in the browser, and as website will be open, you have to scroll down to the first download APK link. After scrolling to that, you have to click on download APK. It will start downloading of the file. So as the file is getting downloaded, let me tell you for what reasons it is being used. So termux is used mostly for the penetration testing and ethical hacking tool. It is being used by the ethical hackers to find out the vulnerabilities in systems like the websites, servers, or smartphone, desktop, laptop, and so on. So you can see downloading has been completed, installation is done. Now you will get the termux application in menu by the name of termux. So after opening this for the first time, you have to run 3 commands which are important before starting working on any of the tool. So first command is apt space update space and space upgrade -y. This is going to upgrade and update the basics of your termux application. After it will be completed, the second command that you have to give is apt install git openssh -y. All of the 3 commands that you have to run for the first time, that will be also given in the description. You can even see from there and type it correctly. So after installation of second or running of second command, we will run the command termux-setup-storage. This is going to allow the internal storage to be used by termux. So you have to click on allow, and after this you can check by typing ls. It will give you the folder name or the drive name or the directory by the storage. If you want to see what are the contents which are available there, so you have to type ls space storage. That will give you all of the files. If in case you want to use multiple sessions in termux, then you have to swipe from the left side of the screen towards right, and you will be able to see a window where you can select new session, and a new session will be available for you. If you want to set a name for any of the session, then you have to long touch the session which is available from the left swipe, and you will be able to set the name for the sessions. As you can see here, I have set the name for both of the sessions. If you want to clear the screen content, then you have to type clear keyword, and if you want to exit from the session, you have to type exit. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for the future videos.